This is Jeremy. His family lives in Kansas City with a house that has decent solar potential. He wanted to reduce his energy bill by going solar, but he thought it was too expensive. He got a free assessment from Solarhood, who helped him connect with great installers with plenty of competitive financing options. And he realized it was more affordable than he originally thought. He opted for a simple loan, and here's how it worked out. In total, Jeremy's system will cost around $22,000. Whoa, that's a lot of money. But wait, don't let the sticker shock scare you away. Solar panels on average last 25 years and provide long-term savings in addition to other benefits. Most customers can get an incentive applied to their system. When Jeremy files his taxes, he will get 30% of his system cost back in the form of a tax rebate. That's still a lot of money, but luckily, Jeremy worked out a financing plan with his installer. In Jeremy's case, he plans to pay off his loan over 12 years, with monthly loan payments of $125. Before going solar, Jeremy's electric bill was around $110 a month. With his new system and the stellar energy efficiency performance of his home, he should be able to produce 100% of his electrical needs, leaving only a connection fee required by his utility. So, taking electrical savings and adding in a monthly loan payment, he's only paying roughly $35 more per month. That's just dinner for two! Generally, utility rates increase a small amount each year. Due to these rate increases and how Jeremy's loan works, he can expect to pay a little more than his normal utility bill in the first few years. By year 4 or 5, he expects his monthly cost to have reached parity to what he was paying before going solar. In 8 to 10 years, Jeremy will have recouped his first 4 years in savings. After he's paid off his system in the 12th year, it's nothing but savings. Remember those additional benefits? Jeremy can take pleasure in knowing that his property value has increased by roughly the same amount of what his system originally cost. He can also feel better that he is creating clean energy for his home. So, solar really is within reach for a lot of homes in your area. Let Solarhood connect you with the top installers in your neighborhood to see how much you can save today.